Welcome. Today we're diving into a super beginner-friendly tutorial on how to buy Toncoin, that's Ton, using the Telegram wallet. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add funds to your Telegram wallet and confidently purchase Toncoin, all from your phone or desktop. Even if this is your first time dealing with crypto and Telegram, I'll walk you through every step, so just stick with me. Now, for this demo, I don't have a balance in my own wallet, but don't worry. I'll show you the process just as you'd see it on your screen, so you can follow along when you're ready to buy. Alright, let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open up your Telegram app. Whether you're on your phone or using the desktop version, the steps are nearly the same. At the top or in the menu, you'll spot the familiar hamburger icon, those three little horizontal lines. Tap on that to expand the menu and then look for Wallet. Go ahead and click Wallet to bring up the main dashboard. Think of this as your central bank within Telegram, where you'll manage your crypto assets. Before you can buy Toncoin, you do need some balance in your wallet, so the next step is to add funds. On the wallet page, you'll see an option labeled Deposit. Give that a tap. This is where you'll bring assets like Ton, USDT, or other currencies supported by the Ton blockchain into your wallet. Now you can either transfer from an external wallet. Let's say you've got crypto on Binance, Trust Wallet, or somewhere else, or maybe a friend is sending you some. Just copy your wallet address from Telegram and paste it wherever you're sending the funds from. It's a bit like receiving money through Venmo or PayPal, just with crypto instead. If you're transferring Ton, USDT, or another supported token, patiently wait for the transaction to show up in your Telegram wallet. Sometimes it's lightning fast, and other times it can take a few minutes, depending on network congestion, so don't stress if it doesn't pop up instantly. Once your balance appears, head back to the main wallet page. Here, where the magic happens, tap on Toncoin. This brings up the Toncoin details, things like the current price, charts, and your available balance. Right below the price, you'll see a clear option to buy. Tap Buy and you're ready to convert whatever balance you just added, whether it's Ton, USDT, or another supported asset, directly into Toncoin. You'll be prompted to enter how much you want to buy, so double-check your wallet balance and make sure you're comfortable with the amount you choose. Confirm the transaction and Telegram will handle the rest, converting your selected funds into actual Toncoin. And that's it, the process is really that seamless. Your purchased Toncoin will be shown right in your wallet. A quick note, if you're ever unsure about a step or you get an error message, just double-check your wallet address. Make sure you have the correct type of funds and don't hesitate to restart the app. Crypto transfers can seem technical, but Telegram does a surprisingly good job simplifying things. And there you have it. You've learned how to buy Toncoin in your Telegram wallet, from adding funds to making the purchase. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Got questions, or did you run into any hiccups? Just drop a comment below. I respond to every question and I'm happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.